how to get Copilot to analyze over 4,000 characters. Microsoft Copilot is powered by OpenAI's GPT-4. Copilot is Microsoft's artificial intelligence. One of the ways that you can access Copilot is through Bing Chat. But there is a limit of 4,000 characters that you can put into the prompt. Let me show you how to get around it. And the way to get around it is by converting the text into a PDF file. If you have Microsoft Copilot analyze a PDF file, it will go over the 4,000 character limit. Let me demonstrate. So this is a YouTube video, and I wanted to summarize this transcript. So I went to Show Transcript, toggle timestamps to get rid of the timestamps, and then I copied this transcript. Now, when I did a word count on it, and this is in OpenOffice, here, Tools, Word Count, it says that I have over 22,000 characters, which is over the 4,000 character limit. So let me show you here. So this is Copilot in Bing. Copilot is Microsoft's artificial intelligence, and it's powered by OpenAI's GPT-4. So you can go to bing.com, and at the top there's a blue button for chat. And I'll take you to the chat page. But with a PDF, you can just drop it in. But if you notice here on the Bing chat page here, Bing is your AI-powered Copilot for the web. You select here, I want a precise summary, so I'm selecting precise as my conversation style. At the bottom, there's a prompt box, and this is where you put your request to the artificial intelligence. For example, summarize the following text. And then you could put here, summarize the following text. And then you could copy and paste the text into this prompt box. But the problem is, if you look at the right side of the prompt box, it says 4,000. So the maximum number of characters that you can put in here is 4,000. The problem is the word count, the character count here on this particular transcript is over 22,000. So this is how you get around it. So what you do is so this was OpenOffice, but I actually just put it into the Macintosh text application, and then I did export as PDF. Once I had it as a PDF, which I have right here in the left lower corner, with a PDF file, you can do open with Microsoft Edge and it'll open it up, or you can just drag it onto the Edge browser. So again, this works with the Edge browser. So I dragged it on there, and now I'm going to release the button to drop it into the Edge browser. Well, actually, it doesn't even need to be on a chat page. It can be on any page as long as you're in the Edge browser. So now this is the entirety of the text, the whole text. So what you do now is go to the upper right hand corner, and there's a Bing chat icon. It's the B inside of a circle. So you click that, click more precise, and now I can analyze the PDF file which is on the left. All right. So the way to do that is when you're referencing this PDF page, to make sure that the Copilot focuses on this PDF page, refer to the page in your prompts as this page. You can say this page, this web page, or my page, but I like to use this page. So always put this page. For example, here, summarize this page in less than 100 words. Press enter, give it a few seconds to process. And here we go. Here's a summary of the current page. So the Bing chat is telling you what it's analyzing. It's analyzing the current page, which indicates that it's grounded on this one particular source that I selected. Summary of the current page, I like it, it's in bullet points. State of the market, importance of trust, challenge of networking, and the myth of the solo programmer. Now to verify that the whole page is being analyzed, all right, I noticed at the bottom here, the speaker in the video says, "Don't get me started on internships right now." So I'm going to ask Bing Chat, I want to verify that it's analyzing the whole page, including this last part here. I'm going to put here, what does this page say about internships? Press enter. Give it a few seconds to process. It says searching your page for information. So notice that it's referencing my page. It says searching your page. And here we go. This page is a transcript of a video by a software engineer. And this is great here. It actually gives me a direct quote. Don't get me started on internships right now, which is right here. Don't get me started on internships right now. So this gives me confidence that it went through the whole document. Now the question comes up is, what if the PDF file is even larger? Now I have done this. I have had the Bing Chat Copilot analyze a much larger PDF, like over 60 pages. And what it does there is it goes to the maximum, but then it breaks the PDF down into parts. So it will analyze the first part, and then in the prompt request, it will ask you, would you like analysis of additional parts? And so you say yes. So there is a maximum limit that it can handle in terms of the PDF, but what happens is one particular I guess analysis, but what happens is if it's a larger PDF, it'll ask you if you want to do part 2 or part 2, etc. of that large PDF. So this is how you get around the 4,000 character limit and analyze text that's greater